In Parma City Schools, we offer a variety of academic programs for our students to provide enrichment, to provide intervention. So we service students with a gifted identification. We also service students with disabilities. We have a continuum of services that allow us to meet the varying needs of our students. We provide many opportunities for our students, options where they can engage in co-curricular activities, band, orchestra, choir. We also have a lot of varsity sports and some very successful teams and great coaches that work with our students. We have a lot of extracurricular activities that students can engage in after school based on their interest. So really there's something for everyone. The opportunities that we present to our students are unique compared to other school districts. Not only do we have advanced placement classes for our AP classes for students, we provide CCP options, and we have of course our CTE programs that allow our students to earn credentials and graduate work ready from our schools. So a lot of options, and that really makes us stand apart from other districts in the area. Our district serves over 9,000 students from pre-K to 12th grade. We represent a rich blend of cultures and backgrounds with more than 30 languages spoken. We provide a wide range of academic opportunities designed to support and challenge every learner. We are committed to fostering a welcoming, supportive, and healthy environment where all students can thrive.
We are Parma Schools.
We are Parma Schools!
We are Parma School.
We are Parma Schools.
We are Parma Schools.
We are Parma Schools.
We are Parma Schools.
We are Parma Schools.